What's up everybody? I'm coming to you from one of the coolest hotel rooms here in Sapa, Vietnam. It's called the Hotel de la Coupole. My name is Cjbeards, explorer, adventurer, and a guy who ends up in some interesting places. With a degree in journalism and filmmaking, I traveled to the ends of the earth investigating the greatest places in the world. This is Igor Travels the World. Let me show you my room because it's really awesome. Alright, as you walk in, the first thing you'll see, the bathroom. I like the design because actually this hotel a long time ago was actually a French factory for textiles and for clothing and leather goods. So they actually decided to keep the same design from back then. So you have a very French feeling and it's just awesome, honestly. Okay, so the first thing you'll notice, just how nice everything is. Okay, let's move on to, I think, what my favorite room is. Look at this shower, guys. It's amazing. Just kidding, the shower's actually right there. Yep. This is the bathtub. And believe me, someone is making a bubble bath today. Now, as we come out and we go into the bedroom, I have my king-size bed. That's pretty cool. And then all the artwork, accessories that are in this room, they're all fashion related and French. Maybe those are real drawings of like the kind of clothes they designed here or something, or just how people dressed back then. It's really cool.
Ooh, I can't breathe like this, no. Ooh, suffocating me slow. I'm sinking underneath your love, but I can't get enough of you. Ooh, I can't breathe.
Guys, this is one of the most unbelievable pools I've ever been in my life. The decor has this Greek-Roman feel, and actually I almost feel like I'm transported back in time to the Roman era when people would come to pools like this, but only the high society and elite. But also you have the 1920s decor again, which is really, really, really fun and cool. But the place is absolutely amazing, man. This hotel, it had been open probably since around the 1850s and closed down sometime around July 1954 when the French got kicked out of French Indochina. And this place is just amazing, the whole of the hotel. Look at this. And a lot of the stuff really looks original, which is the crazy part. I just want to tell you one thing. I think, according to what I've seen, the weather in Sapa here, it goes through 4 seasons in a single day. Right now, it's not bad. It's about 63 degrees Fahrenheit or about 17 Celsius. But you can see it's raining and the fog is crazy. I can see just past that building. I can't even see the mountains which I saw last night or way up there. And last night I saw the most craziest lightning storm of my life. It was miles away because I couldn't hear any thunder, so I knew it wasn't close, but I have never seen the amount of lightning. I mean, every 1.5 seconds was a giant bolt just do, 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 do. I mean, it was like a science fiction movie or something. This place is awesome.